Oh, welcome back, everybody. It is Han
And
Shuks. So, we have a surprise in store for you guys today. It's actually SHUKRIA over here who has a surprise for me. I don't know what it is, what I kind of do, but I'm gonna let you explain everything.
We're playing Whisper Challenge today.
Whisper challenge.
Whisper Challenge.
Okay.
Whisper Challenge.
So what do we do?
Alright, so I'm gonna put this on you, and I have 4 names or songs or movies or people that you have to guess.
Yeah.
So I wrote it down here. So my cards are down here.
Mm-hmm.
And you have 3 chances to get it right.
All right.
3 only.
So I put this on.
You put it on.
So we got Biggie blasting in the background.
On loud.
All right, hit play.
Tell me if you can hear me.
Ooh,
Can you hear me?
damn! I'm gonna lose my hearing.
Can you hear me? I think I have to tone my voice down. We didn't start yet. Alright, let me get my
So you're gonna show the card to the camera?
Yes.
All right, I'll close my eyes. Just give me a tap when you're ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I don't think you could see it. Okay. Michael B. Jordan. Michael B. Jordan.
Are you saying it?
Michael B. Jordan.
B-U bitch Jordan.
I said
that close?
Michael. Okay. Michael B. Jordan.
Michael B. Jordan.
Oh! Yes. You got it!
Hey.
Michael B. Jordan. You
My
swore.
turn?
You
Your-
swore before. You swore before.
What do you mean?
You said B.
I thought that's what you said.
No. That's not
Alright.
what I said.
All right, you gonna go again, or is it my turn?
It's my turn.
Okay.
Let's keep it PG, no swearing.
Of course. All right, ready? Music's blasting. Can you hear me? She's got sensitive ears. Very sensitive ears.
So loud.
All right. Close your eyes. Woosah. All right. Now this is our first phrase. As you can see. All right. Yeah, you ready? I like banana and rice.
Eggs.
I like
I
like
like
banana and rice. All right. Out.
No, one more time.
All right. One last chance. Go.
One more.
Go. I like banana and rice.
Escucares.
Ah. Close, but no cigar.
No, one more.
I like banana and rice.
I like
Banana and rice.
banana
Yes.
and rice.
Oh, she got it. Did you hear me?
Banana and rice. Was I loud?
Good job.
Was I loud?
Did you hear me?
No, I could see you going, but you're saying you're so fast.
Okay.
Like what?
All right. Cool.
Slowly. Let's
Slowly,
speak
people.
Slowly. Was I loud?
No.
I feel like I was loud.
All right. Oh, this is so loud.
I know. It's closing his eyes. Oh. It's what we're doing right now. Whisper challenge.
Slow it down.
The whisper challenge.
Alright, what's the first part?
The
The?
whisper. Whisper.
The whisper.
The whisper challenge.
The whisper challenge?
Yeah.
The whisper challenge?
Yes.
Did I get it?
Yes.
Oh! Man, I am good. I am good.
You're good.
I didn't mean to toot my own horn, but damn. I'm surprised I got that.
That was good.
Good job. Alright. Your turn. Music's blasting. Alright, guys.
So loud.
Close your eyes.
What?
If only you knew.
If only
You
you
knew.
knew
What?
what I'm saying to you.
Wow.
If only you knew what I'm saying to you.
Yes!
Ow!
Do you know how to lip read? I think she knows how to
I
lip
took
read.
some classes.
That's why you wanted to play this game.
Yes.
Alright. Let's go. Straight into the next one.
Labradoodle. Let's hope you can guess it. Alright. Labradoodle. Labradoodle. Oh no. No. Labradoodle. Labradoodle. Labradoodle.
Library.
Labradoodle.
Labrador.
Yes. Labradoodle.
Labrador.
Labradoodle. It's a dog. Labradoodle.
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 I give up. I'm done.
You didn't get it. No.
What was it?
Labradoodle.
Labradoodle. Labradoodle. Is that even a word? What?
It's a dog.
Labradoodle.
Yes.
A Labrador and a poodle.
Yeah. The Labradoodle.
That was a
the
tough
poodle.
one.
Like a poodle.
All right.
Poodle.
Next. Put your hands over like that. Alright, you ready?
What?
Life is like a box of chocolates.
How?
Just making sure she can't hear me, you know? Life is
Life like
a box.
Yeah. Life
Is like.
is like a box of chocolate.
Oh! Alright, good job. She's on top. She's on top.
I don't think I'm gonna.
I didn't even say it. I just said the first part.
I wanted to do the same one for you.
Alright.
Last one. Last one. Okay. Black
Blank
Panther.
Panther.
Black Panther.
Black Panther.
Yes.
Wakanda forever. Alright. Last one?
Yeah. You think?
Last one. I got one more. Close your eyes. Look that way. What could it be? What could it be? Alright. Do you ever get a feeling that you're feeling a feeling that you felt before, but then when you think about the feeling and the feeling you felt, you don't feel it no more? Maybe the feeling you felt, you thought you felt before was just a feeling that you never really felt at all. One more time. Do you ever get the feeling that you're feeling the feeling that you felt before, but then when you think about the feeling and the feeling you felt, you don't feel it no more? Maybe the feeling you felt, you thought you felt before was a feeling that you never really felt at all.
Do you ever get the feeling that you
You
felt
heard
the
me!
feeling before
You
that never
heard
felt
me!
before?
Oh my god! She heard me. She's
the
cheating,
feeling you
guys.
felt before.
She's cheating. You heard me.
No.
The
I
music
didn't.
was not loud enough.
It was. But then you're talking so fast, you're like, do you ever get the feeling that you felt before, but you never get the...
Good job. Alright, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Shuks wins. Alright, that was fun. Alright, so that was what we call the
Whisper challenge.
Whisper Challenge.
There was no whispering though.
There was no whispering. Was there? A little bit.
Oh, yelling. And yeah, that was like... Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share it with your friends. And if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button.
What challenge or video would you like to see us do next?
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
Let us know. Let us know in the comment section below. We'll check it out. And till then, peace and much love to you.